If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
Good morning, everyone. So I've got Miss Giselle and Miss Emma here live. We have been trading pre-market on the MNQ1, which is the Mico E Mini Nas 100 futures. We're doing what we call scalping, and scalping is part of day trading. It's super fast. Today we see that the market's $26 up and it looks like we're about 8 minutes away from the opening. I just want to demonstrate again a couple of the tiny things here that we're doing for scalping. We have to soup up our equipment a little bit. So we have decided that it's going to be a long trade. So we click the buy button. We decided to go in 2 units to risk $50. Naturally, this is the yellow belt stage. We've actually already earned our $20 for the day, so we could quit and go home. We did not lose any trades for the day, so we're 100%. So I think we're 3 for 3, maybe 3 or 4 trades we made. So we're good there. But we're going to show you what we're doing. So you can do this literally every day. It has nothing to do with whether the market's up or down, or what the market's trending. The good thing about trade like a ninja is a ninja's got to be flexible. You got to be able to jump in the battle, regardless of what's thrown at you. You have to have an answer for that. So if you're going to jump in the middle of a situation, you've got to be able to deal with that. So if you plan to trade every day, then scalping is kind of what you're looking at. So on that, we're going to look at our personalized settings to make sure that we make a small amount of profit with every trade. Okay. If at all possible, we want to get in, we want to make a small $1, $3, $5, $7 profit and jump out. That's what we're doing for scalping. So we're going to click the take profit, we click the stop loss. Now this time for scalping, you have to soup up your equipment a little bit. We brought the ticks down to 10. That's going to make our take profit very, very close to the entry point, which means it's very fast. Then we put the stop loss at 50. We are, again, as I mentioned earlier, we're trading 2 units, 2 contracts for $50. You can see the candle is starting to come down a little. So we may want to go short on this one. We'll have to look at it for just a second and see. But for now, we are prepared to spend up to $50. And you'll notice our account's $500. We started with the 500. So what I like to do is I like to spend no more than $50, which is 10%. So I'm putting the buy order in. The buy order has gone in. We're going to click the sell button. Coming down to our sell button. And what we're looking for is we're looking for a green 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. And like I said before, we can go up to $50 on the red before we have to jump out, and then we'll enter the trade again and have to try to make that profit up another spot. So it is red to the trade right now, but it's going to be up and down and in and out super fast here. Go ahead and slide this over. We can see just a little bit where our trade actually is. All right, so give it just a minute. We'll let it trade for us for a few seconds. We're just a few minutes away from the opening bell, about 5 minutes away. So we will set us an opening bell salvo in there in a minute and see which direction the market's going to go for the day. We stand a chance at the 9:30 of it jumping dramatically one way or the other. So we want to be ready for that. So we're trading a little pre-market. which is the pre-market's a little undecided, of course, naturally. So we'll watch this for a second. There we go. We did enter a short, so we are looking at making that profit. You can see it recover just a little bit right there. I'm going to reverse the position on that trade. Switch it to a short. It went to $25. I decided to switch directions and let it trade into the green. We have a $2 green, $6 green, $5 green, $7, $10, $9. Just going to play around a little bit right there. We're going to go ahead and take that profit. So there we go. We made $5.72 off that trade. So that's what you want to do. If you enter your trade and you have to switch directions and jump out of your trade, you want to always try to trade green, make a little profit. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did before, that we're going to jump in on the short side. Let's get in there. $16 so good is where it will be. Finish the trade to the green. There it went. So let's see what we got now. Those $22. Just that fast, we made another $16, right?
Yeah.
Remember that we were in earlier. Let's get ahead and tell you what. It's time for us to go ahead and set our trade for the day, and we're going to go ahead and set our trade for the day. And the only thing we're going to change for the opening bell, we're going to change the units. We're going to change up to 5 units. We're going to put the top to take profit a little further up the road. Instead of 10, we're going to put in 25. And on the stop loss, we can leave that there. So let's go ahead and get in there. There's our trade. We're looking for that. That would be a $65 profit. And you may even want to increase it. Let's go ahead and confirm that. So looks like about 2 minutes away from the opening bell. We're making money now. We're in the green, 22.50. We'll make even more if the bell pops our direction. Gonna let it work, and it could continue to go down and stop out and make us some money, or it could completely reverse when the opening bell hits in 1 minute and go the other direction. So it's anybody's world. We'll know either way. So right now we're still in the green. It's kind of flirting back and forth there a little bit. Let's go ahead and move our chart out of the way so we can see real good there. We've got our trade set. So we've got a green 187 just in case it jumps nice and deep. At 9:30, if it jumps toward the short direction, then we'll be preset. And if it jumps toward the other direction, then we'll be stopped out at about 122. So let's see what it does. We're about 1 minute away. And you know how that market works. Once it hits 9:30, it's going to go. So let's see. It's 9:30. So which direction is it going? Is it going up? Looks like down. Looks like we called it a little. Well, it's anybody's guess right now. Let's see. Going up. Went down a little, then it went up.
Up.
It went up fast. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look how far it went up. Oh my goodness.
It's up.
All right. Let's go ahead. Look how far it popped up there, guys. So it went up. Let's just hit our circulator. All right. So now we are going to get big part of that right there. We're going to hit our trade. All right, so when it was all said and done, it looks like we had lost a little money right there, which is fine. We're just going to get right back in with the trade. We're going to get in on the sell side. We're going to take profit, hit our stop loss. Let's go ahead and hit on the buy side because it's trying to go up right now. So might as well go there. Let's see if we can get in. I'm going to try 3 units. We tried 5. Let's get on the buy side, take profit, stop loss. Go ahead and get it in order. It's lagging behind just. Let's try for 2 units. See what it'll say there. There we go. I think it's trying to wake up. It was a little slow. The internet was lagging a little bit there. All right. So I kind of like the fact that it's one of the things I do with scalping is once it takes a big jump climb like that and starts coming back down, I like to jump back in and trade the downside. Okay. Watch how fast you can make some money back on the downside. So we jumped in. See the 34.50. And if you watch, we are set to make $63 profit. Let's go ahead and do that again. All right, so we're going to click in on the sell side. Oh, I see what it's doing. It backed up all those orders we did before, and it's trying to execute them now. It got behind on us. That's one of the things you have to watch for your internet speed if you're trading, especially with the paper trading. Is occasionally it will get logged, or logged up, and you can't get your stuff in and out. Then it backlogs. Definitely don't want to be part of that. So let's see what we can do. Got to get a clean slate going on. Cancel that. I think that's $26. See the good we had. Cancel that. There we go. So it finally caught up, I believe. Let's see about that one. So those trades were actually calculated, but then they didn't execute because it couldn't catch up. All right. So let's see. There we go. I think we might have finally got there. So whenever we settled out, all right. So now we're going to look at it again. Let's look at the scalping real quick. So looks like we're in a bear market. So we're going to click order in there. Well, look at that. So get out of that. All right. Let's try again. So there we go. Let's get in it. Now we're in it. All right. There's our profit coming up, showing $3 to the good, $6 to the good, and it's going to fluctuate. We've got a stop loss set at take profit at $20, $30. So there it is. It should go ahead and execute. $58 still. There we go. So now you see our balance is $259, and we're going to go ahead and bring that up. We're going to continue to scalp that downward trend right there. So I'll click and sell, click and take profit. 25, I'm going to go ahead and put the 10 on that, okay, to make it faster. And the stop loss, I'm clicking the sell, I'm clicking the start order. Boom, we made money that fast. See there? So now we're up to 265. So again, on the scalping is super fast. Click and sell, or click and take profit, stop loss, click and sell. We're going to make money just as fast as possible. We just made some more money. See that? That's how fast you're making money on scalping. So we're at 268. We're going to go up, try to bring this a little closer. We'll put that at 5 minutes so we can want to clear $300 real quick, right? So hit that button. Good. Let's get in there. So we just went 268. Let's go ahead and get into sell. Profit, 10 clicks. Sell and send the order. All right, good deal. Let's go ahead and put 3 units in here. Take profit, stop loss. Again, 10 clicks and 50 clicks. Watch your indicator over here. If it's green up, it's trying to go up bullish. We'll wait just a second until it flatlines, and then we'll get in. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to trade that downward trend of that red candle. So in the process, I've got to make sure that it's at least indicating that it's going down, all right? Which I know it will, because it's going to retrace this whole green area here, right? This was the pop from the morning, and so it's going to reverse right in here and trade down. We're just going to watch for just a second. We're going to scalp that. So 268, we want to bring this up to $500 or to $1,000, wherever, and let's go ahead and get in that, right? Let's go ahead and hit that. Get into send order. All right, let's try again. Let's get some more money. It's just like riding a wave, right? Go ahead and get it, send that order in. So we're in the order now. We're looking at it. We'll take profit, and we have 271. See there? 268, 271. So I'm going to go ahead, do it again. Take profit and stop loss. On the sell side, we're trading on the short. We're shorting. So we're going to short, jump in there, click the buy, watch our profit, and let's see what we got. We just made more money. Now we're at 281. See there? So we're going to take that 281 up to 300 real quick. And how we do that is we're going to click the sell button. So it'll be a short. Take profit. It's at 10 clicks. Kicks. Stop loss. And then we watch our indicator right here on the green. Want it to flatline or indicate that it's going to go down instead of up, because we don't want to go against our trade. We know that it's going down, but we're going to have to trade the trend, see? So we'll let it get tired of trying to force itself up. And once it reverses, we're going to ride that wave down. We're going to make some more money. So we're 281. Our next trade should take us between 285 and 290, another $10 or so. So we'll just watch it for a second, and then we'll trade up to 300, and then we'll change our structure just a little bit to pop us on over to the 500 mark, okay? So that's a little bit of a retracement. You see that green? And that's the indicator we want right there. We want a little bit more of one if we can. We want a flat or even red so that we can trade downward. And then we'll get back in and try to get another 25, 10, 15, $20 out of it. Again, we're at 281. We want to bring that. We'd like to recover this whole 218 from when we started. We had a couple of bad calls earlier, but it's, as long as you know what you're doing and you can get in the game and get out when you want, there's nothing wrong with being in there. You're going to have some up days, you're going to have some down days, but I want to show you the technique of scalping the short, and that's what we're doing right now. So it'll get right in here, it'll get tired in just a second and come on down and retrace to here. This is what it was trying to do here, is trying to replay this area. So it'll get tired in just a second and head down. Now, of course, naturally, I could just switch to buy right now. Hit the buy button. Let's do that. So we're in on the buy side. Naturally, we can see a profit coming out of that too. But it did just reverse right there. So, like I said, it was going to. It got tired and reversed. But we are in it on the buy side. We could show a profit. We could get on the sell. Let's see where we're at. 286. We made $5. Okay. So we're going to get ready to sell. We're going to click our take profit again, stop loss again. We're going to wait till it flatlines one more time. It keeps trying to sneak in there with little buy signals. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go ahead and hit it. Let's hit the buy signal if it wants to play that game. We'll go ahead and get in there and get some money. So we went in on the buy side. showing a dollar, and then boom, we made some more money. So, the secret is it doesn't matter to us. We don't care whether it's up or down. We're going to be able to scalp it. Now you're at $301. See? So let's go ahead and get that 200 back that we want, right? So we're $301. We're sell, take profit, stop loss. Go ahead and click the sell button and get in the game. We're going to watch this. Before I can even get to the buy button, it usually goes, okay, well, let's chill out just a second and try to do a little something there. All right, 16. Go ahead and show me some green profit, guys. 9, 14. Trying to flirt a little bit right there. It's anybody's game, but we can scalp it anyway. 301. We want to go 7, 0. We're breaking even. That's a break even. So next thing you see is profit for $12. We're gonna go ahead and hit that. Did I catch it in time? $319. So yeah, we made that. All right. Let's go ahead and click that button. There you go. All right, let's see where we're at. Where did we end up in this deal? $329. We just made from under 200, we brought up 330. So let's go ahead and it's crazy. Look how volatile that is. But we don't care. We really don't care where it's at. So I'm gonna get into sell game for the short. Click my stop loss. Or do I want to go with the buy? I don't know. It might be a buy indicator. Let's get in the buy game for just a minute. All right, and click on the sell button. All right, we made some money. What did we make? 336. As fast as I can get in the game, we're making money. See how that works? So stop loss, take profit. We're going to get in the game again. I'm going to reach over and hit the buy button, reach over and see how much we're making. It's -6. So it's taking a second this time. It's counting it out. It may be reversing on us. 38. Maybe reversing finally to the negative like we need it to be. Yeah, I think it did. So what we'll need to do is get back in here. Get on that. Wait just a second. That's what we want right there. All right. Down in there. Here you go. Break even. Show me a profit. There's $8 profit. That'll work. So right over the top of it, it's just trading up and down. Now, to facilitate making more money, we're going to take a little bit more time. All right, we're going to raise this to 3 units. We'll put our take profit, stop loss together there. We're going to click the buy button. Go ahead and get in the game. Watch it go up just a minute. 150 profit, boom. So we're back at 3. We want to move that to 500. We're at 3 units. We're going to take profit, stop loss, get those in there. Do we want to trade it to do down? I'd say no. It's continuing to try to trend upward for just a minute, I reckon. So we'll take that. In the sell game for a second. And again, you could be up and down with this $25, $50 profit or loss all day long. You can be in and out of it. So we're back to 238 because we went against the trend here. But the key is just to get back in there and do it again and get that money. And again, you could call it a day and go home because you've already made your profit. But if you want to stay in the game, then click the buy button. Let's go ahead and go with 2 here. 2 is pretty consistent. Take profit, stop loss. Seems like it's going up. Gonna get in the buy game.
Yeah, but I guess, sir, it is also important to decide, is it worth it to change position or just to stay on the position?
Exactly.
Yeah, because as what we observe on the trading is, yeah, we're getting profit, but we're losing a lot.
Anytime that you're in the game, except
Mm-hmm.
if it's a major move,
Yeah.
you're risking. So the secret, if there is a secret, is to not trade as much.
Yeah.
Okay, trade till you get to your like, for example, we're down to 140. I'm going to have to trade that back up to 5. Uh, we've got 358 to the negative so far for the day. We could have stopped at 300, but I'm mostly right this moment. Say we're at plus 63.50 for the day. I'm mostly showing the scalping technique. Now, if we really want to buckle down and make sure we keep our profits, we're
Mm-hmm.
gonna pay a little closer attention to our units. We've got 2 units. We're gonna put our take profit and stop loss. We're gonna watch it just a little closer on whether it's trending up, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put 25 on the ticks for the take profit so that we can make more before it stops out. Okay, that's how you bank more money. So we want to take it from 141 closer to 2 or 300, correct? So first we want to look to see, do we have enough room in this trade for it to go up? And I think we do. Let's have a look here. They have to just go back down to 1. When you get close to the amount of money that you own, they won't let you risk too much. So it's 850 profit there, $10, 750. We've got a stop loss at 1550. We can decide what to take it out. $4. Moving up. And again, it's highly volatile and you've got to be fast. So probably within $20 to $100 a day, call it a day, jump out. Let's see, that's 950 to the good, 950, 1950. That should be a stop loss. So we won that. So we're back to 157. But then it switched back around to the down game. So now we're in the down market. And what you said is exactly right. You've got to be able to get in, get out, and then count your wins and go on home. So that's what we want to definitely focus on, showing you how to scalp quickly and make wins every time. But because it's so volatile up and down, naturally you want to very carefully monitor exactly what you risk versus the reward. All right. So currently we've got about a $12 stop loss pick. Let's see what we got. Did we get that? We did. Okay. So yeah, absolutely. I wanted to show you how rapid that it can be and quick in and out. And that's kind of the way it works right there. On the other side of things, the second, scalping is the absolute fastest. That's what you just saw. Another flavor is day trading, where you just choose your position and you leave it set, which is similar to what we just did, except our positions are further apart. Then you wait. Okay, when you go to swing trading, swing trading can be a couple days. So we could enter our position today and wait, and it could be tomorrow before it cashes out, and the next day, because it's so far apart. And then finally, so you have day trading, which includes swing trading and scalping, and then you have long term. Long term could be a week or a couple weeks or a month, where you put your contracts in way ahead of time. Okay. So once again, let's just run over this real quick. On the Trade Like a Ninja program, if you're in a hobby class, you're trading $20 a day. All right. If you're doing a side hustle, you're getting $100 a day, which is $25K a year. If you're treating it like a job, you're making $500 a day, goes up to $126 a year. Career is $1,000 a day, goes up to $252. Business, it's a full-blown business. If you're making $2,500 a day, up to $630, and $5,000 a day to $1,260. Now, one of the things I did not mention that I need to cover real quick, let me go ahead and share my screen. Let me show you what happens when you change from, all right, so we started with 500. We traded for a little while today. and we could go ahead and get back in and trade and bring it back up. Let me show you what happens. But we're limited to how much we can trade because we started with a $500 account. All right. So if you start with a $1,000 account, all right, let's say you want to make, all right, starting with $1,000 account. Now, theoretically in the trade, all right, this will allow me to switch this to 10 units. All right, take profits in the same place. We're going to put 10 on the take profit. The stop loss is in the same place. We're going to go ahead and buy in. We're going to buy in on the upside. We click the sell button. Now, this is going to change exponentially how much you can make. And that's how fast it works right there. See how that works? All right, so let's go back into it. So we've got 10 units. Well, let's drop that. What do you say? 7 units. Take profit, stop loss. Let's get in on the short side. We're in on the short side. Let's click the buy. Man, that was fast. Look at that. So brought it back up to there. Let's get back in again. I'm going to change the ticks to 25 because that's just so fast I can't see it. So 25, stop loss. Let's go ahead and get into sell game. There we go. All right, so let's watch. It's 21 to the good, 73 to the good. Give it a few seconds to settle in on its trend. It's trying to trend a little bit. And we're back. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles, so it's time for a green candle or two. All right, get in here. 140 is what we've got on the take profit. There we go. Boom. And that's a little, that's quicker. Now let's just say, for example, the exact same method. Let's say we start with $2,500. All right. We're going to reset the account for $2,500. We're going to go in with our exact same technique. This time we're going to go to 25 units. All right. Take profits the same. Well, let's go ahead and put that. Well, we'll leave it at 25. All right. So we're going to get in here on the short side. Let's go ahead and get in there. Click the buy button. 225 to the green. Bam. All right. So we started with $2,500 and we're already up to 28. See how fast we made $300? Made $300 that fast. And it gets easier and easier because we could go home right there. We made $300 in that day, right? So $2,500. And let me show you one more step. All right. This is the truly amazing thing is, what if you were able to get your business account set up? Let's say you were working with us on Elite Consulting. We got you some business credit and you were able to get $5,000 in business credit. All right. You got your business credit set up. You got your live account set up. You come in here. We're going to do exactly the same thing, only we're going to put 50 units in. And you can see I don't really care whether it's trending up or it's trending down. I'm going to take profit, stop loss, 25 ticks, just like I normally would. I'm going to watch my indicators over here. Do I want to get in on the buy side for the long? Do I want to get on the short? We'll watch it just a second to see which direction it might be headed. We really don't care because we can get out if we have to and we can start over, but we would like to go ahead and just take the profit and go home. So we started with 5,000 easy, right? We got 50 units trading. Now, let's say this is, you got the white, yellow, orange, green, you got different belts. This is the belt right between orange and green with $5,000 in your account where you can make $1,000 a day very easily, okay? So we're gonna look at it. It looks to me like it might be, what do you think, ladies, long or short?
Long. Oh my God.
Oh, hard to call, right?
Yeah. Okay.
It's back and forth. I'm not clicking it yet. I'm waiting for. All right, so it looks like it wants to try to go up. So we're going to go ahead and jump in it on the upside. Click our sell button and watch. There's 150 to the negative. It's trying to go up. There's 100. Break even. It's really anybody's guess right there. Boom. All right. So let's go ahead and get in there. Looks like on the retracement from that though, it looks like the sell unit. Let's go 25, 30, 30. So we want to bring home $1,000 real quick. Let's go ahead and set our take profit, our stop loss. Watch it just a second. There you go. Get in there. All right. So click our buy button. There it is. $15 to the good. Shows it's going up. 200. Boom. Let's see what we got. All right. So there we are. So it looks like we're going the right. So what we're going to continue to do is we're going to continue to do exactly that same thing. We're going to jump in there, get the buy, watch 135 to the good, 75, 120. Get on out of there. There we go. Look how fast it's coming up. All right, so let's do it again. Sell 30 units, stop loss, take profit. Try to switch around on us right there, so we're going to switch directions. And wait and see if it's still going up or if it's going to short. All right, I'm going to say it wants to go up. So we're going to switch to there. 180 to the good. Did we make it? $5,000 again. It's where we started from, right? So we need to know that we can control our trading and we can make money anytime, regardless of what the market's doing. So I'm going to click get back in there. I'm switching this back to 50 units. I've got my $5,000 back. I'm going to watch one more indicator to the good. I believe it's going to be in there. I'm switching around to the sell. I need to see that go on up and make a profit. Boom. What? Went the wrong direction on it. All right, so we're going back to the sell, back to the 25. And I mean, this is the crazy thing, guys. This is something you can literally, you could do this all day, but you want to be predictable to the point where, let's say you get 3 to the downside, you want to make at least 5 or 6 to the upside, so that you win the battle at the end of the day, right? The battles are going to be won and lost, but you want to win the war. So there's a down indicator. I'm going to pretend like that's already in there. We're going to go into the buy side. We're going to click our buy. Looks like we're going into the green, 100. Boom. Let's see what we got. There, we're back to 4. All right, so let's see if we can get it back up to 5. Look at our stop loss, our take profit. We see that, and the craziest thing is it's matching us almost equally for a buy and for a sell point. So let's see how froggy this guy is right here. 137 to the good.
Sell. Yeah.
To the good. 225. Boom. All right. So it's back to 42.52, which is fine. So how crazy is that, right? So take profit, stop loss. Looks like they're going back to the buy side. We'll go ahead and risk that. Get on in there. Click that sell button. 37 good. It's very tight. Very tight margin.
200.
See how quick it goes? 45. So we could change it a little bit. We could go for, got 25 ticks. We could go here. We could go 75 there. And we could go good here. Buy, sell. Good. Good. All right, watch the profit come in. Switching directions, it's going up toward the profit. Watching the red letters, the red numbers click down. We've got
167.
Yep. 50. It went from 50 to 312, so it's jumping all over the map right there. Let's go ahead and move that down. Back to 45. So let's see if we can we'll get one more good trade in there real quick. Let's see. All right, let's see. So that's basically that scalping. Now let's take another quick look at it. So you can see that you can make 1,000 in just a few seconds, right? So let's say you want to make the really big money. Say instead of 5,000, let's say you had $10,000 in that trading account. Reset your account for 10. All right, we're going to change this to 100 units. We're going to put our take profit, our stop loss. Now this is, if you want to get to the level of trading where you can trade and make $1 million in a year, you know you need to make what? $4,969 a day. So you need to make about $5,000 in your trading. So what we've done, we put 100 units in here. We've done a take profit at 25 ticks. I'm going to go ahead and put that at 10 ticks, okay? Stop loss. It shows to be a buy market. It shows to be a long market right now, this moment. So we're going to go ahead and buy in and get in there. All right. We're going to go ahead and click our sell button before we could even get done. Boom. All right, let's do it again. We need to stretch that out just a little bit. The 10 ticks is a little too quick on the trigger because it's clicking the profit before I can get to it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into buy. We're in the buy now. All right, we're going to click our sell button. We're 950 to the good already, and switching 450 to the good, 650. That's all numbers going up toward 2,000 because 2,000 is a take profit. 1,600, 20, boom. All right, so we entered a trade in less than 10 seconds. Let's see, let's make sure you can see. All right, so we entered a trade in less than 10 seconds. You made $2,000 profit. All right, see that right there?
Yes, sir.
Because as your trading account goes up, the risk is the same, except it's the exponentials. So instead of $244, it's $2,000. Now this is when it gets really good. We're gonna do one more trade. All right, so let's say back in the day now, you had to have $25,000 in your account to do trading. So we're gonna put 25,000 in there as a standard. I want you to work up to 25,000 in your account. We're gonna put take profit stop loss right here. We are going to, we got 25 ticks on the take profit, 75 on the stop loss. It looks to me like it's possibly going to be a trend up. Let's give it just a second to see. It's kind of flatlined, isn't it? Let's give it just a second. This is an important enough trade. We want to get a genuine indicator. Let's go ahead and buy in and watch it. So there we go. Let's watch the sell. When those numbers start turning green up there now, that's going to be a pretty substantial little movement. So let's watch it. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Hold on. I forgot to actually change my position here. Hold on. So once again, we're going to make sure we got 25,000 in account, just like in the old days. In the old days, the pattern day trading rule, you had to have 25,000 to trade. So we're going to change this to 250 units. That's what I forgot to do a minute ago. We're going to click our take profit at 25, our stop loss. I think it's going to be a down sell today, so we're going to get in that down. We're going to click our buy, 625. We're going to watch it just a minute turn. Give me just a few seconds to do a little reversal there. It likes to do that thing where it goes up a couple of notches and down a couple of notches. So you want to be set. And again, if it was $50 on a $500 account, you got $25,000 in your equity account, you can risk whatever you choose to risk. I try to go no more than $2,500 if it's a $25,000 account. But you're going to need to be willing to let it trade up, fluctuate up or down just a little bit. But the numbers will change, but the trading action shouldn't change at all. It should stay consistent. You should be able to set your ticks, set your stop loss, set your take profits, and let it roll. Now, probably the most laborious part of it is, without a doubt, waiting for it to do its reversal, and then come on back to where you need it to be, because naturally, if it was a lot lesser amount, you can pop out, right? If you're trading $500 account and it gets to 20 bucks, you can pop out and not lose too much. But when you're dealing with the large account, when it moves just a tiniest little bit, it's a lot of money. And that tends to make you want to not retrace, right? Not pop out. So that's one of the things you want to look out for with the larger trades. So right here, I see the reversal in the candlestick already happening, and it looks like it's going to come on down and do a nice little retracement, and hopefully just pop right on down, because we don't want to be here all day. I just want to show you one of the larger trades. So we traded $500, we traded $1,000, we traded $2,500, we traded $5, traded 10, and now we're trading 25, just to show you the difference in the scalping technique. It doesn't change really, except it's a larger amount of money that you're risking there. We'll let it sit just a second. We'll play a video real quick, and once we get through with that, we'll pop right back in and see how it's going.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.
And we're back. All right. So for today, we're just going to recap. We traded with a $500 account. Again, setting your stop loss and your take profit. Different spot on the tick. 10 ticks, 25 ticks gives you a lot quicker trade. If you do start with a $500 account, then you want to try to set yourself a limit of, say, and you can choose your limits, but I choose like $50. Trade the predetermined things you want to make absolutely sure is, if I lose $50, I'm going to quit for the day. Okay. Or if I earn $20, or if I earn $100, I'm going to quit for the day. The quitting is the most important thing. So you can come back you might even come back after lunch and trade, or you can come back. The idea is to come back tomorrow, continue to trade, continue to practice, continue to get your schedule down. But like I said, it's different for everybody. Scalping, the quick in and out for the scalping, sometimes people like that energy. Some other people like to set it and forget it. Find yourself a place you think it's going to, set it and just let it go with your stop loss set where you won't lose more than 25 to 50 bucks. Other people like to swing, where you set it and you come back and check on it today. If it hasn't crashed out, you come back and check on it tomorrow. Eventually it will go up to win and profit, or it will crash down to your stop, one or the other. It's going to go, and just check on it daily. So all of those 3 different kinds of energies are available, as well as our personal credit repair. I have personally a little testimony. I talked to someone yesterday that their credit has gone up 225 points with our AI Dispute Beast credit repair in only 3 attacks. So that's fantastic. It went from somewhere in the 5s up to 6+. 675, I think, 680, real close to seven. And that's great because once you hit that 720 is a magical number. 720 to 850 is fair to good credit. And on the business credit building, like I just showed you, it's a really good chance for you to build your business credit. We'll help you get your EIN, your Duns and Bradstreet number, business phone number, your business virtual address, get everything rolling so you can build your business credit. It is even possible to build your business credit on your EIN. No doc with no necessary bank documents to show profits, and possibly get your business credit built up and help you with your personal credit. So I'm going to let Emma talk about the three programs that are available real quick, and Miss Giselle recap, and we'll be ready to go. Miss Emma?
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for that very nice, learnings on the strategy on getting profit and how it works. What's techniques suitable for you. So again, with Elite Credit Investment Advisor, we are actually offering a three program as part of our three pillars of wealth. We have first the Credit Mastery program. You can enroll with us monthly for $97 or for the 6 month program for 497, and we'll be here and our affiliate company would help you on how to monitor your personal or business credit. And we have live trainings, we have ebooks that can help you understand how it works with your credit score, and we also give some education on how to get a good funding, ways financially on how to monitor your financial stability, as well as we have also the credit mastery. Yes, that's what the uh, dispute this that we are actually affiliated with. It would an AI, um, an AI credit monitoring company that can help you understand the history of your credit score. So also we have the smart investing, which part of it is our crypto trading um, education. So here we are not risking any money on live stream, but we are using paper trade, using Ninja Trader. So we're gonna help you um, on how to learn the pattern, on how to study the stock market. So if you're interested and wanna level up your learnings on the smart investing, please contact me at 877-587-4540, and let's help you open a new doors of opportunity in understanding the three pillars of wealth. So contact us anytime, comment on our Facebook page and on our YouTube page if you have any questions on the topics that we just discuss and today. So thank you for your support with our live stream every day.
Thank you, Miss Emma. We'll hear from Miss Giselle. Talk to us about what you think about the scalping techniques you saw today, my friend.
Yes, hello, good morning, everyone. So, in trading, of course, today's trading was also good because it's really that informational and also helpful to every one of us, of course. So, sometimes trends or stocks would not go our way, and of course, and also things go down for us. Scalping is really a best technique that we can also go to. Like, we can use it, of course, even if scalping, though we're taking tiny profits time to time, but through scalping we just really get benefit for our capitals, or yeah, it just goes up through its structure. So it's really that also like an advantage to traders, and also helpful not just in when things go down, or when we need to go back to our capital again, but also if that's what we choose to do or practice in our trade day, then it's really that um, you know again beneficial. So it's today we also learn, and I also learned that it's really so important to when to switch and change your guns. So, and also to retry, because we can just of course wait forever. And yeah, also when to stop when you start earning profit. So yeah, at Elite Consultant USA LLC, we don't just trade, but we also educate, we guide, and also we help you grow. So I hope that you also learn about it because yeah, really scalping is a good technique for every trading.
Fantastic. All right. And as always, I have to play our disclaimer
Provided
video.
by Elite Consultants USA LLC is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or investment advice. Any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples for learning only, and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions.
All right. And as we close, I would like to highlight the fact that we are using a TradingView platform that's completely free that you get immediately upon enrolling in any of our programs, combined with a NinjaTrader brokerage platform that you can also trade a free demo on. They're a broker and you can learn with their tools and how to get in and out of the market. And as always, we have free digital and items for you just for calling Miss Emma at 877-587-4540 and scheduling a Zoom call. And what we do is we go over a little piece of everything that we have real quick for you. No obligation, no stress. And you get all those items for completely free just for checking in with us. If you want to come in on the YouTube channel or Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, we would love it. We're just trying to help a few people out there. You could start for as little as $500 and actually start building your financial future. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and hit the off button, and we will see you.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.